How to DIY a wood Christmas tree with WORKPRO tools. Here are all the materials that needed. First, take a long wood board and put it on the table. We measure the length with WORKPRO tape measure. We need 8 blocks. Next, it's the WORKPRO power tools. Use WORKPRO Brushless Circular Saw to saw the wood boards and adjust the cutting angle to 30 degrees. Cutting wood boards with circular saw. Continue to cut blocks, but please note that the cutting bevel is different. We can place the wood blocks and see the effect. Finally, assembly is completed with WORKPRO Air Nail Gun. After that, we can paint the wood block green to make it look more like a Christmas tree. WORKPRO wish you Merry Christmas.